It is 7:55 in the morning and taking a shower, now going, having the breakfast, and then we'll be taking the 10:02 train to a station, and then from that station we're gonna go to Zurich. So yeah, gonna miss this place, right? If you see, I actually miss every single place except Geneva. Geneva was okay, but I like this place. I also told you why yesterday, because it's quiet, hilly, and nice weather here. So we've arrived at the train station. The train is here going, we're right now going to Chur, and then from Chur we're going to take a train going directly to Zurich. So we're sitting in the, so we're sitting on more like the coach type, and in front of us we have like a more kids type of. Look at this, guys. This is how it is. Look at this. This is censored bathroom. Look at that. It's gonna on its. Yeah, exactly. You got that as a toilet.
You got a urinal.
You got two, in fact.
You got a urinal.
Yeah, exactly. I don't care about that. And then you get this. This is the part, man. And look at this. Why I say it's the kids section? Because it has a slide. So pretty cool, right? Train which has a play area and all that. But now we're going back.
Oh, summer. It sounds good right now after what we just experienced, doesn't it? Grilling out, lawns being mowed, and pools opening. These are some of the things we expect with summer.
Today we're just gonna be chilling in our room, and then in the evening at about 6 or 7ish we actually have to go to one of our relatives' house for dinner. They live in Zurich, so we're gonna be going there, have a nice dinner there. And the best part is we're gonna have Indian food, and I've not had Indian food for a while, so I'm excited for that. And then we're gonna come back, and tomorrow we'll be exploring Zurich again. So we were just chilling here for about 2 hours, and we got an upgrade in our room, which is pretty sick. But yeah, let's go check out our new room. So completely got ready now. We're gonna be taking some transportation from here to a station called Kielwagen station, something like that. And from there, my relative is gonna be picking me up from that station, my whole family up, and go straight to that house where we're gonna have our lovely dinner. That's where we're staying, Crown Plaza. I just came out of our hotel room, walking to the, I have no idea where, but yeah, just, you know, when we come to a chocolate shop and we have to get someone else, we have to take for ourselves as well. That's for us. All that for me. So we've arrived at the Kielwagen train station. Now waiting for his car. So we are back at the hotel room. It is right now about 1:30 in the morning. and I am so damn tired, but it was so much fun at his house. We had Indian food. The place that they live is so damn good. Like literally, I'm already missing that place. But yeah, I wouldn't mind going there, you know, like their place was actually really good. I couldn't vlog there much because, you know, it was more about talking and all that, so yeah, I'm sorry. But anyways, it's time to sleep. I'll see you tomorrow. I mean, like, it is already tomorrow, but